Hello, good morning, good afternoon. This is a new day, new site activities for one of our renovation work. This is the new staircase we are trying to erect, and by this other way, this is the old staircase. So we are going to remove this old staircase and connect this particular room together with the old staircase. So yesterday I talked about the reinforcement, and today they've started the casting of the new staircase. So this is the first floor. After this floor, we are going to the next floor. We have already finished the first floor work. So what we are doing now is just the second floor staircase.
Yeah.
As soon as we are done with the casting work, then the next thing is for us to start the inside. Like you see all these walls now, we're going to demolish them so we can make this a very big hall. All right, so let me walk through the staircase. Okay, this is the one that's leading to the ground floor. So let me walk through the staircase and see. Oh, all right, yeah. So wow, it's not easy. Okay, that's how it works. Wow. Yeah, the landing. Okay, from here go up. Can I really climb this now? That's how it works. Let me raise this place up. Let me raise all these things up too. I don't know what Iron is doing now. Are you calling me? This side, all these sides are okay, just that down side. Okay, so now we are going to the platform. So this is a cantilever member. I really do not have much explanation here, but what we did here was double matting. Okay, so that everything here can be self-sustaining. So you see, this is the platform. So after this, now the next thing is we're going to raising these blocks up. This block you are seeing here now, raise everything up to the beam level and connect it to the existing structure. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. For more videos, if you have any question about your construction activities, feel free to let us know. God bless you.